Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Our today's topic is Understanding Antivirus Software. So let's get started. Antivirus software is a critical component of computer security. It operates as a host intrusion detection system, IDS, essentially acting as a digital sentry for your computer. Just like a security guard monitors a building for intruders, antivirus software constantly keeps an eye on your computer's memory, active processes, and storage to ensure that no malicious software or malware is trying to gain access or cause damage. Imagine your computer as a fortress and the antivirus as a vigilant guard. If an unknown individual, similar to malware, tries to enter the fortress, the guard can recognize them based on a most wanted list and prevent their entry. This most wanted list in antivirus software is known as signature database. It's essentially a library of known malware threats which the software uses to identify potential threats. Importance of regular updates. This brings us to another crucial aspect of antivirus software, that is, regular updates. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and so too are the techniques employed by cybercriminals. With new forms of malware emerging constantly, it's essential that your antivirus software signature database is regularly updated to recognize and guard against these new threats. Additionally, antivirus engine updates often come with performance improvements and new features, and these may increase the speed of malware detection or provide more effective removal tools. Failing to keep your antivirus software updated is like leaving your fortress's gate wide open with a guard armed with outdated weaponry. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, regular updates are a must to maintain a secure system. Interpreting antivirus output. When the antivirus software detects malware, it alerts the user. For instance, if a live system monitor identifies a threat, the software may trigger a pop-up alert, notifying you about the malware's presence and severity. Besides real-time monitoring, antivirus software can also scan your entire system periodically or when manually initiated to check all files and processes for potential threats. The output report of these scans can offer insights into the type and a number of threats detected, locations affected, and actions taken. Response options for detected threats. Upon identifying a threat, antivirus software can be configured to respond in two ways. It can automatically remove or quarantine the threat, or it can prompt the user to decide the appropriate action. This flexibility is crucial because while automatic responses can provide instant protection, user prompts offer more control, especially in cases of false positives when legitimate software is mistakenly flagged as malware. Comprehending anti-spam software. Anti-spam software is another layer of security often integrated with antivirus software. It is designed to monitor your emails for spam and other unwanted content. Imagine your email box as a personal mailbox. The anti-spam software acts like a gatekeeper, checking every incoming mail for dubious characteristics. Any suspicious mail is diverted to a separate folder, spam or junk, keeping your primary inbox clean and reducing the risk of you inadvertently opening a malicious email. Identifying spyware and adware. Spyware and adware are two common types of malware that antivirus software typically deals with. Spyware is akin to a digital spy, silently observing actions on your device and transmitting these details to a remote system. It's like a hidden camera in your digital living room, tracking your every move. Adware, on the other hand, inundates an infected computer with advertisement, even redirecting browsing behavior to specific sites to generate ad revenue. It's as if someone keeps changing the channel on your TV to play infomercials whether you like it or not. The role of anti-spyware and anti-adware tools. Anti-spyware and anti-adware tools are specialized tools for detecting, removing, and preventing spyware and adware. While these tools can sometimes be separate, they are often integrated into comprehensive antivirus software. They are like special operatives trained to deal with specific types of intruders, providing an extra layer of protection against these pervasive threats. Output analysis for improved security. Analyzing the outputs of your antivirus, anti-spyware, and anti-adware tools helps you understand the nature and scope of the threats you are facing. It's like analyzing security footage to know who tried to invade your fortress, how they tried to get in, and what measures were effective in stopping them. This analysis allows you to take appropriate preventive measures in the future and helps in maintaining a robust security stance. The usefulness of pop-up blockers. Lastly, pop-up blockers often incorporated into modern web browsers and antivirus software plays a crucial role in preventing unwanted pop-up windows. They act like a shield, blocking intrusive ads or windows that suddenly appear when browsing the internet, contributing to a safer and smoother online experience. To wrap up, antivirus software is a vital component in maintaining a secure digital environment. Its function goes beyond simply identifying and neutralizing threats, extending to the realm of preventive measures and constant monitoring. It's crucial to understand how this software works, how to interpret its output, and how to respond effectively to its alerts to fully leverage its protective capabilities. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do check out the written explanation on our website and don't forget to take this quiz based on this video. The links are in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos, and if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section and we will try our best to solve them for you. For private coaching, do contact us by visiting shreelearningacademy.com or on WhatsApp. See you in the next one.